This episode we're going to be doing a starter on my dad's 1998 GS400. So it's the V8. The starter's in a little bit of a tricky spot. It's underneath the intake manifold, so it's a little bit more involved or less involved. And I'm going to try to do it without disturbing any of the coolant. Some videos have during the radiator. We're going to do it without it. We'll show you the parts. We got a starter, rebuilt starter from Bosch. Pretty straightforward, standard issue. And then we have some intake manifold gaskets as well, because we're taking the intake manifold off. It's usually good to replace it. You can keep your old ones in a pinch, but generally if you're disturbing it, you're going to want to replace those gaskets. Now, I don't have a throttle body gasket, and we're going to be reusing that. It didn't come in on time, so we're going to just have to do without it. And then for tools, we just have an assortment of tools, and we'll get right into it.
Cool.
For starter, you're always going to want to disconnect your battery. You're going to want to do both, especially if you have a capacitor. Looks like we got some extra hands show up. You probably just woke up. What is it, 11:30?
Guys, not yet?
You got the battery disconnected.
That's good.
Sure, I mess it up.
Is it just
sure.
you?
It's just you.
Oh, you can look at Blake's after. Hey guys, welcome to another episode of PB Garage. This is Barry. Solo, I'm going to be doing a starter on a GS400 all by myself. It's going to be a tough job. It's going to be right in the oil pan. These guys are just going to watch me and learn from my experience. And what I'm going to do is take this off and then that. And the starter I chose is Bosch. I procured that from Rock Auto. I got a good deal on it. And I bought these from the Lexus dealer. These are spacers for power. So stay tuned, it's going to be a good episode and educational. I'm going to teach these guys how to do it.
You have the map on flip? Yep.
Good time for your air filter.
I think we're going to get this Resonator box off. A couple more 10 mils clean and around it.
There's another one here. Let's get it started.
There it is. Sweet.
There you go.
Oh, sorry, Dad.
You okay?
Oh, yeah. Oh, it's loosened. Man, that's a long one. There it is. Oh.
How's it here?
Oh yeah, that connector is not happy about that. And there are so many 10 mils on this thing. Love it. Intake manifold bolts?
No, the throttle cable bracket
Linkage, yeah.
kind of blocks one of the bolts down in there. Might be able to reach it actually.
There it is. There's still a injector holding it down if you want to work
One
on
injector
that.
clip?
Yeah. The fuel lines.
Yeah.
I think this is the fuel line. I think it's just a 17 mil.
Are you taking the fuel pressure regulator off here, or are you gonna disconnect it?
Just disconnect that and then
Is there
wiggle it around.
Yeah, just get a lot of paper towel and catch that.
Yeah. Look at those. Dual washered and all retained.
Know what I mean?
It's got two washers on it that are independent of each other,
Okay.
and the nut holds everything together. It's got a little thing on the other side. Fancy hardware.
What did you do there?
I lifted the intake manifold off so I can
Oh, get some room.
yeah, get this thing out of the way. So that's kind of nice. You don't have to disconnect all the coolant. I didn't think that was going to work, and it did. That's our intake, our throttle body gasket, which we have to reuse. unfortunately.
Like 1 or 2 people on the manifold, and another person pulling stuff out of the way on that side. That's gonna be the problem side.
Okay.
Yeah. I'll go on that side and pull stuff away. Dad, you
Brad, hold this out of the way. And
where are we gonna set it down? It's not gonna be that heavy. You guys can figure it out once you get it.
Yeah. I've got this big bracket here. That's gonna be a slight problem.
oh, probably up top, Brad. Oh, gotta pull straight up. On all ends. There's something.
Still hold it in.
I don't think so.
Oh, there's a stud back here, so you gotta look it straight up. Oh, okay.
There we go. Okay, you need come my way a bit. Oh, this is stuck.
Okay, so that's where I'll come in and free that up.
There you go.
Okay. So you see it from your end here, buddy? Nothing to there, eh?
No.
Nice.
Okay, like that. Yeah. Fuel line. Fuel line. Got it?
Yep.
Yeah, and that's it.
Got
You
it.
boys take it.
Knock it out.
Is there a nursery we can bring it to? Wrap it
Yeah,
up in a blanket?
It's got a big.
Put it on the pad.
It's got a big thing sticking out. Very like how?
You got problems here.
Right, I'll put that down.
Oh, that's okay. Yeah, you can sit on that. Just get it on the pad. Turn it the other way, 90 degrees. Yeah, so it's all pad. Just gentle. There you go. That's it.
Interesting.
So that has been replaced, Dad.
Really?
Remanufactured.
Still looks old as Blake's Buick. That's what I want to know.
From the back between the firewall.
Yeah, I see them. Okay.
See ya?
Excellent. Right, so we're trying not to drop all the debris in there.
Oh, these things are tapered too in a certain direction. Crazy.
Some tech behind these, eh?
Yeah.
Alright guys, this is probably about the midway mark. We're halfway through it. We got the starter out. We were able to keep the throttle body intact with its hoses, and we didn't have to disrupt the crossover coolant pipe there at the back. It was a little bit of a challenge for Barry to get his small hands back there to get the two 14 mil bolts out, but he managed to do so. And yeah, so we got donuts. All right, Timbits. And here's the old starter. There's the two 14 mil. There's some other things holding some other stuff on that you have to take off, but overall pretty straightforward. I'm gonna go ahead, put this guy back in, and show you the rest of it. C2.
That's that. Yeah, snap that in at the end. Yep, just do it now. And this guy we had done that one as well.
Yeah. Back. Tried to lift it up a bit or something.
Yeah, just keep it. It was weird, but.
I don't know if that's gonna fit.
The starter?
No, the I'll try that. Try that. No. Good luck.
Key.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Are you able to get that? Or is it?
Oh, there it is. Yeah, keep using that.
Oh, yeah.
Thanksgiving dinner.
I'll have some mashed potatoes, please. Take these bolts off for this plastic loom. I don't
No. It's a fun exercise of breaking stuff.
Yep.
Does this come off?
What's that?
This hose?
Oh no, that stays on. So, alright,
Oh,
yeah,
it does come on. You put it on already.
Yeah,
Just so I can get
pull it off.
ouch.
We're gonna be able to get the outside one without a
extent or universal joint.
Bolts on the ground.
Moment of truth.
Man, that was
Okay. No, it was just like a little click, but let things settle. Any final thoughts on the project?
yeah. How long did that take?
We started at 11:15.
11:15. It's 4:18. We had like 14 breaks in between.
Yeah.
Had to wait for Barry.
Very smooth project.
Yeah. We ended up replacing the
Probably one of our smoothest.
Only 2 injuries.
200. Yeah.
One special tool.
One tool. Yeah.
Yeah.
And we only snapped one bolt. So
Yeah. Overall, it's, and the car started.
yeah, it started.
right
That
up.
works.
We're all good to go.
Yeah, now it's on. So it's flashing red when it's on.
Now it's recording in
In what?
yeah, it's just video mode, I think.
Okay. Oh, video mode.
Is that what you wanted?
I don't know.
Oh.
No, I just clicked the button.